What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we have another styling video for you. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to accessorize 3 different outfits. So they're all pretty basic outfits, and then we'll just, touch them up a little bit with some simple and fun accessories and just polish off the look. So let's get started. Alright, starting off for look number 1, I just went with a t-shirt and jeans combo. I figure everybody has something like this in your wardrobe that you could work with, and I'm just going to show you how to style this up a little bit and complete the outfit. So for this look, the first thing that I'm going to do is tuck in my shirt. I love tucked in shirts, so it's something I always do with my outfits. So next up, I decided to pop on a belt for a look like this. I just felt like it looked pretty empty there with nothing else happening around the waist. So I went for my little black belt that I have, and I chose the black belt just to go with the black shirt. Next up for shoes, I'm going for black again, and I picked out my little black sock booties with the kitten heel. I like how the black is broken up with the blue denim, yet you still have the black happening on the feet and then on the top, so it kind of balances everything out really nicely. And my blue jeans are a little more ankle length, so I thought the sock booties went really well with this, just with the length of the jeans. Yeah, I just thought it was a nice touch. And then for jewelry, I love my black t-shirt because it has more of a crew style neckline rather than a v-neck, so that higher neckline. I decided to just go for a really simple silver necklace, and I went for silver because I wanted it to just pop out against the black, and I thought the silver and the black had a great contrast happening. Even if you go for more of a delicate necklace with just a t-shirt like this, it really does stand out and make your outfit look a little bit more put together. Now for an extra layer here, I decided to just pop on my faux leather biker jacket, and I found that gave the look a little bit more edge and just spiced it up a little bit. And that's pretty much all that I'm gonna do for outfit number 1. Just super simple styling, but it just brings everything together in the end, so you can see from the before to the after how we touched up this outfit with very easy fixes, but in the end it is a polished and put together look. Alright, moving along to outfit number 2 here. I'm just wearing my black mock neck fitted top, and then I have on my orange skirt and some tights happening as well. So once again, I'm gonna start off by just tucking in my shirt, get that out of the way right off the bat. We love a good tuck. Then I'm gonna go for some boots with this look, and I decided to pop on my over the knee style boots. I kind of like over the knee boots with a longer skirt as well. I think it goes great. I think it's super cute, a great combo. You don't always have to go for the ankle boots. You can work higher boots with a style like this. And then for my top half, I'm gonna toss on another layer to this outfit as well. So I decided to go for one of my oversized sweaters here. And the sweater that I have has a nice color block happening, so more of that cream color with the black. It adds a nice little contrast, yet it's still very neutral because the skirt is more of my focal piece for this outfit, that pop because of the colors. So the sweater just accents it nicely, adding something else happening without overpowering the skirt at the same time. Now I do also really love pairing a more fitted shirt underneath a big sweater or something like that. And with this sweater that I have on here, you can see that it does have a very wide neckline, and I think the shirt just popping through underneath is a nice little touch. Now, of course, I'm not just gonna leave my sweater hanging around all oversized, so I'm gonna do a little tuck into the skirt just a little bit so that I can still see some of those buttons up top on the skirt and, bring some shape back into my body. Now for the accessories for this look, I am going to spice it up just a touch. So I'm gonna go for some hair clips. I have my funky little barrette clips that have the diamonds on them, and I find these just dress up an outfit just a touch without being too overpowering. And for my jewelry, I am gonna keep it super simple just because I want the barrettes to be more of the focus. So I'm just gonna go for some stud earrings on my ears and then a simple ring, and that's gonna be pretty much it for the accessories. And that's pretty much it for this whole outfit actually. So once again, very simple, just little things you can do to polish up the entire outfit. Alright, moving on to the third and final outfit. Here I'm just starting off with my cream colored mock neck fitted top, and then I decided to wear my plaid pants for my bottoms. Now for the bottoms here, I am going to add a belt, but I'm just wearing the one that came with the pants, and I'm going to tie that up into a nice little bow. And for my shoes for this look, I decided to go for my leopard print loafers actually. Now these are more of like a subtle little statement piece, and they have a print and my pants also do have a print, but I find because both prints are a little more subtle, they don't really compete with each other and it does go very nicely. And I'm gonna end up balancing out the shoes after a little bit later on in the outfit. For jewelry, I am just gonna keep it super simple here again, and I'm just gonna layer up a couple of necklaces that I have. So I have two gold necklaces that are kind of similar, so I thought they would pair off really well together, and one is a little bit shorter and then the other one can be adjusted so that it's longer. So I'm just wearing them both, so I have the shorter one up top and then I made the other one so it is a little bit longer, getting that layered vibe happening, which I really like, and it just adds something extra instead of just going for one necklace. So that's always an option to layer up some of the jewelry that you have. And then to polish this off, I'm gonna add that extra layer, and this time I'm gonna go for this like brown suede-like jacket that I have. And the color of this jacket goes extremely well with the shoes, I thought, and that helps balance out the shoes and keep everything flowing really nicely in the outfit. Nothing's really competing, everything kind of just goes together. So that's basically it for this last outfit. Once again, very, very simple, but easy little things you can do to spice up the outfit. So yeah, that wraps up my video today for you guys. I hope you like these styling type videos and accessorizing and all of that good stuff. Let me know which look was your favorite as always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!